It feels amazing, and first of all, a big congratulations to all of you.
So we are going to be, having some fun kind of questions. We are going to ask from each and every one of them, so that मैंने बोले था चेतन सर, it is not going to go well.
Sometimes just the formulas get.
During the examinations.
I have like less friends at school because of math, but I have made a lot more friends because of math also.
अच्छा चलो, one last question from my side. कभी ऐसा तो किया होगा डेफिनेटली सबने अपने मैथ्स को फ्लेक्स किया, मे बी इन स्कूल, मे बी इन फैमिली, कहीं पर भी शो ऑफ किया हो.
All right. So, hi everyone. Good evening. Jai Hind. This is the historic moment. 19 of our students have qualified INMO 2026 this year. And some of these students are already on the chat live. We have Chetan sir with us. So Chetan sir, first of all, before we move on to the students, and it is going to be a very interesting session, how do you feel?
It feels amazing, and first of all, a big congratulations to all of you. And INMO clear करना यार, it's not easy, and 19 of you have already cleared INMO. That's a big achievement. Once again, congratulations to you all. And we hope सिर्फ INMO ही नहीं, इस बार let's bring gold to India.
Yes. So इनफैक्ट मैं अभी चेतन सर डिस्कस कर रहा था कि यार इस तरह की जो स्क्रीन होती है ना, नॉर्मली हमारे IOQM रिजल्ट के अंदर होती है या फिर RMO रिजल्ट के अंदर होती है, you know. So having this kind of screen, so many faces in INMO result is amazing, is super amazing. And इनमें से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स की स्टोरीज आप ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं. द व्यूअर्स हु आर वाचिंग दिस, वी हैव शेयर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ दीस स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑलरेडी INMO awardees. Ratrik is there, is there. These are senior members. Anik is there. And a lot of student stories we have already shared in the last few days. We will be sharing some stories in the coming days also. So first of all, congratulations guys. This is, amazing achievement. Clearing one of the toughest examinations, particularly in mathematics in India, is always special. 70 students across India have done this, and you are amongst those 70 top students in the country, right? So it must be very special. So today's session is going to be different. So we are not going to ask usual questions ki preparation kaisa raha, books kaisi rahi, because they've already shared this, right? So it is already there. So we are going to be having some fun kind of questions. We're going to ask from each and every one of them, so that so as to get their fun angle, because perception ये रहता है कि यार मैथ के लोग हैं, and बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस लोग होते होंगे. But again, it is not so. There is always a funny side, and there is always a hobby that each and every one of them is pursuing. So before we get into that, एक मैं brief introduction चाहता हूँ from each and every one of you, starting from Ratrik. Just your name, Ratrik, your grade, and your marks in INMO 2026.
Yeah, so I am Aratrik and I am in grade 11th now. I just finished it and I got 44 in INMO.
Amazing. Aritra?
Hello, I'm Aditya Saha. I'm in grade 11 and I got 46 in INMO.
Amazing. Congratulations. Siddharth?
Yes, sir. I'm Siddharth Singh. I'm in grade 10th and I got 37 in INMO.
Super. Om? So Om is the most senior member.
Yeah. Hello everyone. I am Om. I got 56 in INMO.
And he's in grade 12th.
Yeah, I'm in grade 12th.
Adarsh?
So I am Adarsh. I am in class 10 and I got 37.
Amazing. Congratulations. Soham?
I'm Soham Ghosh. I'm from class 12 and I got 50.
15 in more, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Anik?
Hi, I am Anik Sardar. I got 55 in INMO. I am in grade 11th.
Amazing.
Right.
Prabhav?
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Prabhav Bhatia. I'm in class 10th and I got 38 in INMO.
Awesome. Ayan?
I'm Ayan Kalra, grade 10. I got 37 in INMO.
Congratulations, Ayan. Nishant?
Hello, I'm Nishant. I'm class 11 moving to 12 and I got 52 in INMO.
Congratulations. And Aditya?
So I'm in class 11. I got 54.
Amazing. Right. So these are our INMO awardees. So again, as I mentioned, we will be asking, fun questions. We are not going to, have the usual round of how the preparation went and everything. right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start and put up random questions, and I want these students to raise their hands, whoever wants to answer those questions. Okay, so we'll start with this, and if it does not go well, which I'm assuming it is not going to go well, then I'm going to select students and I'm going to ask the questions. Okay, so the first question is, if math topics were sports, which one would be cricket, chess, or football? Who wants to answer this? Om, मैंने बोले था चेतन sir, it is not going to go well.
Yeah. So I will call like cricket as a NT and
Cricket as number theory, okay?
yeah, number theory, and football for Geo, and chess for Combi. Yes.
And what are the reasons?
Yes, for last chess, it's kind of obvious. Like we just play tactics and like kind of process, understand the.
Yes.
And for football, I feel like it's like one of my perspective about like you kind of have to always calculate where the trajectory of ball will go and like how the positions will be changed. So that gives me some feeling of geometry.
Amazing.
And cricket is just empty for cricket reasons. Yeah.
Great. Because of the run rate and other things that you have to calculate.
Sometimes you have to look at analysis also.
Yeah, okay. Amazing. Okay, Anik.
I agree with Combi as chess, but I think geometry is closer to football.
Geometry is closer to football. That's what Om said.
Oh.
Om also said the same.
Then
yeah, and what else? The cricket would be?
I think cricket should be algebra.
Okay. Yeah, I think cricket
Like
would be more closer to algebra because
manipulating stuff.
yes, chasing runs, and this is the cricket season only, right? So yes, Siddharth, your opinion.
Yes, sir. Sir, at this point, I think like cricket does not deserve the distinction of being math. It's more like physics. There have been too many JEE problems on like cricket.
Okay. So cricket, were there any JEE problems which have been asked?
Like, I think so. Like
Okay. I don't remember. At least in the recent years. Maybe I missed out, but yeah, okay. Super. Okay. Aditya?
So I think chess will be Combi. It's just like a game theoretical thing. It's like analyze like the future games, winning positions and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I can think of.
Okay.
I really see football being a matter.
Awesome. Chalo. So Chetan sir, any second question I would want you to.
Funny angle करते हैं. So what is the weirdest place, obviously apart from washroom, that you have solved a math problem in? So apart from washroom, which is what is the weirdest place?
You can always include the washroom, no?
वो तो सबका weirdest रहेगा ही ना sir. Apart from washroom.
Okay, chalo. Apart from washroom, what is the weirdest place you found a solution to a math problem that you are not able to solve? Okay, who wants to answer this? Yes, Anik.
It's kind of okay, but it's like while traveling on a road.
Oh, traveling on the road, you were able to solve or get an idea. Amazing. Yes, Om.
Yeah, so I had like I like to head solve a lot of problems. So I have like solved problems while sleeping. Also once when I was in aeroplane, and also once when I was in car.
Oh, so you were sleeping in a plane and you thought of an...
Yeah, like there are all different things. But while by me, my sleeping is like
yeah, so closing your eyes. So closing the eyes.
I was trying one problem and I fall asleep, and then I suddenly wake up after 1 hour and I just got the idea.
Oh, I mean that would be the real aha moment, no?
Yeah.
I mean, Ayan.
And what is the weirdest object that you have used as paper while solving a problem?
I guess drawer. Like like floor, like on
Floor.
type.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ayan, yes.
Sir, when the geography teacher was teaching in class, so I felt like it was the perfect moment to zone out, and the best ideas came at that time, and I was able to solve a problem correctly.
I hope your geography teacher is not listening because it was your SST paper today only, no?
Yes.
So all the best, Siddha. Ayan. Okay, Prabha.
Sir, I've solved like multiple problems. I think Ayan also like during the paper or like any important examination, sometimes we just get bored and sometimes just formulas like
During the examinations.
yeah, like any type of exam.
Oh, your school exams also, madam. Okay. So during the school exam, you get an idea of solving a problem which is Olympiad math problem. And what do? Do you still continue with your school exam or do you drop ki ho gaya ab to?
So sometimes I just get bored and it often results in me leaving an incomplete answer sheet. But maths problems is maths problem.
Amazing.
यार ये तो उल्टा हो गया ना. What we call कि मैथ्स ओलंपियाड से बोर्ड में भी हेल्प मिलती है, यहाँ तो उल्टा हो रहा है, बोर्ड से मैथ्स ओलंपियाड में हेल्प.
Well said. Yes, Aditya.
सर क्लास में इनऑर्गेनिक क्लास में मैं हमेशा मैथ का ही सोचता हूँ.
इनऑर्गेनिक वाले में तो बनता भी है.
So you know how pen covers, you get a pen, the pen cover, we buy the pen. When you get a new pen, you get a pen cover. मैं उसमें हमेशा लिखता हूँ जब पेपर नहीं मिलता.
Pen cover means the cap.
No, like the pen box, you get a plastic box.
Oh.
So I get a new pen, I get a new pen to school. But when I rough book or something, I write in that only.
Oh, that is amazing.
Yeah.
Yes, Aradhrik.
Om is saying that inorganic classes are meant to solve math problems.
Yeah, I also have a pretty similar story with Hindi periods. So like I used to do that in Hindi periods, and like वही आदत मतलब boards में भी चल गया. हिंदी boards में भी paper के बाद वहाँ पे वही कर रहा था फिर maths का.
Amazing. I think मुझे लग रहा है ना बहुत सारे लोग particular teachers are going to be a very offensive about this particular session. हम यहाँ पे maths कम discuss कर रहे हैं, बाकी subjects को ज़्यादा discuss कर रहे हैं. Hi Mandar, congratulations. So Mandar is is an 11th grader and he scored 50 marks. So Mandar, welcome to this session. So Mandar, what we are doing is we are having a fun session. We are not asking the regular questions of how did your preparation go and stuff like that because all the students already know. We are just exploring the fun angle. Okay, so the question.
Mandar, for your clarity, अभी ये वाला question चल रहा है कि what is the weirdest place that you have solved a math problem? You can answer also.
Okay, Siddharth.
Yes, sir. Like there's this person called Squing in like AOPS. He posts like inequalities. I was like searching through his inequalities in Bua's wedding. Yes.
You were searching what?
Like I was searching like I was doom scrolling his inequalities in like my Bua's wedding.
Oh. My God.
भैया बुआ को मत बताना ये चीज.
Others, yes.
Sir, actually, I sat, my teacher forced me to sit on the first bench because whenever I sat at the last bench, whole 8 periods I solved maths. Like after the end of the day, if someone asks me, what did you do in school? I will say NT, Combi, something like that. So the teacher forced me to sit at the front of the bench.
So I think that would be the story for every person here. So school ke andar, particularly in the subjects that you don't like, you tend to solve maths. Okay, so I have another fun question. So if you had to teach math to aliens, what topic you would start with? Okay, Aritra.
So definitely number theory.
Okay, but again, I think aliens, would have. They may not have. Yes, so that is perfectly right because they might not have 10 sets of fingers. So they would be counting in some other base.
Yes, sir. So
Okay. So number 3, and which particular topic in number 3 would you start with?
Sir, probably like modulo NT to like orders and stuff.
Okay. I am doubtful they'll be able to understand. Okay, Nishant.
Algebra, because you probably don't want them staying on Earth too long, too much.
So how would that help? Oh, they would get bored?
Yeah, definitely. After you teach them this.
Okay. Ratrik is saying chemistry, and why would that be? You
Same reason.
Oh, you want to them to get out early. Chemistry teachers are going to, bash you. I'm sure about this. So don't I'm hoping that chemistry teachers do not see this session. Yes, Prabha.
So geometry, because like we won't be able to communicate with them, so we can draw shapes and tell them.
Oh
about
yes, yeah. That's a good reason. Yes, Anik.
I think we should go with combi. It's,
Oh, you
actually
want them to
testing
teach logic,
whether
huh?
they know to test whether their logic is well developed or not.
Amazing. Right. So we want them.
यहाँ
Maybe
पर भी है ना, अभी दो सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, एक वो जो एलियंस को भगाना चाहते हैं और एक प्रभव टाइप के हैं जो उनको समझाना चाहते हैं.
Yeah. So amazing. Okay. So next question, Chetan sir, from you.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि मैथ्स की वजह से कोई फ्रेंड के साथ फ्रेंडशिप टूट गई हो या लोग आपको अवॉइड कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ मैथ्स?
It's a very good question. So yes, so again, normally क्या होता है कि nerds का tag लग जाता है, particularly for the students who are into mathematics.
Exactly.
So has it happened that the people have started calling you nerds, and or maybe they've not involved you into the groups? Yes, Siddharth.
Yes, sir. I think इसका उल्टा हुआ exactly. Like I made more friends and like the old friends were like better.
Amazing. Yes, and that is good for everyone. I mean that is true for everyone here. Okay, Aritra.
Yes, sir.
So I'll say like I have like made new friends, but I have like less friends at school because of math, but I have made a lot more friends because of math also in
Amazing.
online.
Great. Om.
Yes, I just wanted to mention out this point that like in Olympiad you also get like this one kind of community which all like fascinated about maths. So you don't get like all nerdy side because all of them are nerds. So like they kind of make this own group.
Yeah.
And-
So if you are in a community full of nerds, no one is going to call you nerds.
yeah, exactly.
Siddharth is mentioning OMC. Sophie. Yeah.
So like there are like more friends you made and like
Yes.
yeah.
Super. Yes. Nishant.
So in my school, it's helpful to have friends because if you're doing work in the last bench, they can just cover for you.
They can do
So
what?
they can just cover for you. Ki they just tell the teacher ki ma'am ye chemistry kar raha tha. So it's useful to have such things. And as long as like I bring my cricket ball to school or something, they're like, हाँ चलता है. It's a contract relationship.
Amazing. So one more thing I want to ask. Oh, yeah, Adarsh.
Sir, actually through math I have made more friends like in Telegram or like online through competitions. I have made friends like Prabhu and Ayan. So yeah,
Oh, they're already
it
there.
has
Amazing.
helped me make more
Great,
friends.
great. So mathematics is something that has helped the most of the students make good more friends. Okay, home is on to bringing cricket ball. Okay, so one more thing which I want to shed the light on. सब लोगों को लगता है, particularly the students who are into maths who've qualified INMO, a lot of people think that mathematics is their life, right? So mathematics is something that they depend on. Subah, Sham, Raat is all mathematics, which is kind of true, which might be true. But is there any other hobby that you're pursuing apart from mathematics? And I want this question to be answered by everyone. Yes, Prabha.
Yes, so like I mean, of course, if you're doing maths, naturally you'll be doing like many other cognitive activities like chess, Rubik's cube. But there can be other things too. Like I really love playing badminton and football.
Awesome. Again, Satish, Aditya.
So every morning I go cycling for like half an hour in the morning before school. So like while doing cycling, also I can think of like things I can clear my mind in hopefully in the morning.
Do
It's
you
nice.
think of math solutions while cycling?
Not always. Sometimes I think of maths when cycling. I also have other things to think of.
Okay. Anik.
Sir, other than maths, it is to say chess. Like it's happens. I play chess too much and then lose a lot of rating in one day.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. Others.
And then
Yeah.
and then come back to math and fresh my mind.
Oh, so mathematics. I mean, this is true for most of the students. So mathematics is a kind of refreshing exercise, right? I know a lot of JEE students also, who are preparing for JEE, and they use mathematics Olympiad problems to refresh themselves to meditate, right? So it's a kind of meditation for them. Yes, so rightly pointed out. Yes, others.
So, sir, actually, I have made it almost a routine to at least like bat for 2 to 3 hours a day. Either I will like bowling machine or by a bowler, but yeah, I will try to bat for 2 to 3
You
hours
play
a day.
cricket?
Yeah, I play cricket and in fact, I try to perfect my batting technique. I don't know why, but I enjoy it. So
So
yeah.
for the students, for the viewers, Adarsh is from Jharkhand. So Dhoni, another Dhoni is coming up. Amazing. So I
भाई
think
कल
this,
अभिषेक शर्मा चलेगा ना?
huh?
कल अभिषेक शर्मा को चलवा रहे हो ना आदर्श?
Sir, personally, if I was captain, I would not play Abhishek Sharma in the side.
I think this group is being more humble. So, for example, Aratrik here, he's not mentioning, but again, he's into coding and a lot of other, he's into chess. Mandar, you've seen that video of Mandar doing the Rubik Cube. It is on this channel, right? So all of these students have this amazing hobbies which they pursue. So it is not only math, and it is also important to be doing this stuff. Yes, Aritra.
Yes, I wanted to mention one more hobby. Like I play chess and Rubik's Cube, but recently I started to play a lot of GeoGuessr. Like there is a game called GeoGuessr, and I started to play it a lot.
Okay, it's an app-based game. Mobile
Yeah,
game?
it's an app-based. It's a computer game basically. Like
Okay.
you are given with a location and you have to guess where it is.
Oh, amazing.
And like we have played it a lot. Like me, Nishant, Mandar, Om, with my friends. I have
Oh,
played it a lot.
great.
Like I've
great.
kind of forced them to play it a lot, but that's how
Mhm.
it is.
Okay. Do you have the premium version or the basic version?
I have the premium. So
Okay. Super. Yes, Mandar.
Yes, sir. Sir, other than Rubik's Cube, like, sir, we are also very much involved in other gamings. Like, some of us play Hollow Knight Silksong. It's another video game. And other than that, we like quite enjoy playing poker. So it's very
Oh,
fun.
you play poker?
Yeah. Like,
My God. Amazing.
ये वो जनता है जो मैथ से पैसे कमाना चाहती है.
सर पैसे लुट जाते हैं ज्यादातर नहीं होता.
But in the long run, I'm sure you're going to find some strategies, some poker, some mathematical strategies to figure out how to win. This is amazing. In fact, the best poker players are the ones who are great mathematicians. Right. So
And
yes,
सर मैं एक चीज आपको बता रहा हूँ. 5 years 6 years down the line इनमें से बहुत सारे बच्चे है ना कसिनो से बैन होने वाले हैं.
वो मूवी देखिए ना, वो वाली कौन सी 21 आई थिंक, जिसमें वो मॉन्टी हॉल प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस होता है. I think it is
Casino Royale.
No,
Casino
not
Royale.
Casino Royale. It is 21 or Blackjack, something like that. जिसमें वो college student है, he answers the Monty Hall problem in the class and then he gets banned from. So again, I'm sure this is going to happen with a lot of.
Blackjack, I think.
It's a blackjack, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is going to happen with a lot of you students. So all the best, guys. Yes, Ratrik.
Yeah, just I also wanted to say I also like photography. Recently I've started.
Oh, you've started photography. Amazing passion, guys. I mean, and whatever hobbies you have, you apply mathematics there, everyone.
More optics than mathematics.
Amazing, super. Yes, Siddharth.
Yes, sir. So like I wanted to add, like, I've started to play basketball. I'm like very bad at it. Like I'm trying to get better.
Amazing. Okay. So, okay. So one question which I want to ask, a lot of you are already into mathematics and want to, do mathematics. For example, Om is already in grade 12th. He's going to get into the college this year. Same with Som. And a lot of you, are already or aiming for the mathematics courses in India or abroad later down the line. So my question is, if you would be inventing a new math theorem, would you be naming it after yourself? Om, no. By chance, hypothetically, you discover some theorem, you invent something. Would it be called Om theorem? Om
It
lemma?
depends. Like currently, like if you work on current problems, there are a lot of things actually like this structures built by other mathematicians, and like you have to give them a respect also. Like probably like you add like your name and their name also. But like suppose like there is some theory which is like totally new or something, which like I don't know, theory of everything. Then yeah, of course, like.
Okay,
Saying
so
that Ohm's law is already taken.
I like this chat. ये maths का, this is amazing, guys. जो तुम chat में लिख रहे हो ना, this is amazing. So while Om was answering this question, right? So there were comments like there's already an Ohm's law, OK theorem, OMC. There's already OMC, Ohm 245 theorem. This is super fun to chat with, guys. मतलब this made my day. Okay. So anyone else, again, if you find, I'm very sure, because बहुत सारे ऐसा होता है कि you tend to solve a problem which is new. You tend to find a new lemma. Have you thought of naming it after you? Anyone? Or will you be doing this? Of course, you will be doing this. Yes, Prabha.
Sir, like I've heard that many of the theorems that get named in like with Asian mathematicians are generally replaced. Like the quadratic formula was made by someone in Asia, but it's been renamed. So even if I give it a name, like there's a high chance it will just get renamed.
हाँ, मतलब वो मोदी जी और योगी जी तो हर जगह हैं ही हैं, तो रीनेमिंग वाला जो चीज़ है वो मैथमेटिक्स में भी आ गया, बट यस, अमेजिंग. ओके, सो चेतन सर.
अच्छा चलो, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम माय साइड. कभी ऐसा तो किया होगा डेफिनेटली सबने, अपने मैथ्स को फ्लेक्स किया, मे बी इन स्कूल, मे बी इन फैमिली, कहीं पर भी शो ऑफ किया हो, कहीं ना कहीं तो डेफिनेटली किया होगा. मैं बेसिकली इंसिडेंट सुनना चाहता हूँ कि क्या एग्जैक्टली कहाँ और कैसे.
टू यंगर सिबलिंग, वो तो हर कोई करता है. यस, सतीश.
So actually मैं Rubik's cube solve करता हूँ ना, तो मैं go to wedding or something, everyone will think it involves a lot of math. तो लोग सोचते हैं कि उसमें भी मैथ लगता है Rubik's cube solve करने में.
Okay. Great. Yes, Mandar.
Sir, the one time I tried to flex was in 9th grade. I went up to do long division. I came back. I wrote 0 minus 1 is 0. And like that is the only thing I have been reminded of like the entire year. I did not try that ever again.
Yes, Nishant. So it went from bad to worse in your case. Yes, Nishant.
So it wouldn't be like exactly like my flexing, but like the thing what happened was we had mathematics teacher in 10th grade, and he did not know that I did Olympiads or whatever. So he put some problem which was slightly circle based or whatever, and then he said ki whoever solves this, if even one person of the class solves this, entire class gets free period. Okay, so everybody in the class knew that I am sitting here, and I did math Olympiad. So everybody shouted my name, Nishant, बोल के, and then the mathematics teacher realized कि कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया है. So he's like, okay, chocolate ही दूंगा एक बंदे whoever solves it. He changes it midway. So that's a story.
Awesome. Yes, Prabha.
सर मेरी तो बेसिकली पूरी फैमिली मेडिकल में है, तो सिर्फ मैं ही मैथ्स कर रहा हूँ. तो सब अज्यूम करते हैं कि क्योंकि मैं मैथ्स में अच्छा हूँ तो मेरी कैलकुलेशन फास्ट है, तो मतलब कोई भी ग्रोसरीज अचानक से बोलेंगे प्रभव ये प्लस ये प्लस ये प्लस ये, मैं सोचता रहता हूँ, तब तक वो कैलकुलेटर में डाल कर निकाल भी लेते हैं और फिर कहते थे थैंक यू.
तेरे को काहे का मैथ आता है.
Yes. This is one thing जो प्रभव ने बिल्कुल rightly point out किया है. Math doesn't mean calculation.
Yes.
To all the viewers, math doesn't mean calculation.
Yes, so in fact, मतलब ये बताना भी चाहता हूँ, once you get into the colleges, you will be handed over the calculators. So calculations are all going to be done over the Excel sheets, Google sheets, and calculators later down the line, right? So we need brains so that to make those calculators, to design those Google sheets. So उसके लिए math पढ़ाया जाता है. Okay, so again, talking about Nishan Sahu's comment. So I'm very sure your math teachers in schools would be jealous of each and every one of you, or maybe proud. So is it the jealousy factor more or the proud factor more? Right, so this is something I want everyone to answer, starting from you, Ratrik.
Sir, in my case, it was mostly fine. Like I used to sleep in the class, so she would never trouble me for that. But like once we had a substitute teacher who came, and so I was sleeping, and he called me out to the board and made me solve something. So that happens sometimes.
And were you able to do that? Of course. I mean.
Yeah, I was able to do.
And did you ask a counter question?
No, I just wanted to go back to sleep.
Oh.
I just asked him to allow me.
पक्का पूछा होगा इसने, रात्रिक ने पक्का पूछा होगा.
हाँ सर, अब ये करके दिखाओ. Aritra, yes. Oh.
I also have kind of a similar scenario, but I didn't sleep in my classes. Like I kind of just did whatever teacher told, and if the teacher asked me some question, like I answered that. So I don't think my teacher even knew that I was actually doing Math Olympiad, but they knew I was good at maths. So kind of like that.
So it was more of a proud kind of reaction. Yes, Anik.
Yeah.
I didn't express much of it to the teachers, so they are generally proud and somewhat challenge me at times because I'm good at math. And yeah, I used to solve them pretty quickly.
Super. And this is 10th you're talking about?
So it is mostly 10th because 12th I mostly used to skip school classes.
Awesome. Yes, others.
Sir, regarding the jealousy or proud question, my lawyer advised me not to answer this question.
Well said. Yes, Prabhav.
सर मैं तो दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल फरीदाबाद से, तो अगर टीचर्स को होना भी होता जेलस तो उनके पास तो और भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जेलस होने के लिए.
हाँ, तुम्हारे केस में तो
सर बट एसएसटी की टीचर ऑन द अदर हैंड वो थोड़ी गुस्सा होती है.
ओके, कि तुम मैथ में बहुत अच्छे हो और मैथ्स करते रहते हो ऐसा.
सर बस ज्योग्राफी नहीं पढ़ता इसलिए.
तो हम बोलो ना कि अब मैं इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करूंगा, तो आई विल बी ट्रैवलिंग टू प्लेसेस फॉर द कैंप, सो आई विल नो मोर ज्योग्राफी, मोर प्लेसेस.
सर उन्हें तो वीकली टेस्ट ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट लगेगा इससे.
ओके, सतीश.
सर इट्स मोर ऑफ अ प्राउड मोमेंट, बट लाइक मुझे पसंद नहीं है जो लेटर स्टेप्स करो, लाइक बोर्ड में मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा, ये सब लिखो, कैलकुलेशन करो, तो बुक में ये सब नहीं लिखता. तो
यस, सो हैव योर मार्क्स बीन कट बिकॉज ऑफ you've skipped a step in mathematics in your schools?
So every exam has been cut, sir. So every exam 2-3 marks of steps still cut.
Because you miss out on steps. Aritra.
Yes, sir. On this thing, I also wanted to mention, like, this has happened a lot to me. So, like, I kind of read the question and did calculation in head and wrote the answer. And teacher was like, you have to write every step in between like this and like that. So the only time I have ever gotten full marks in math is like the final 10th boards. I have never gotten anywhere full except the 10 boards.
Okay, so talking about 10th boards, so there are, I think, 4 students who are in this session. So अभी I'm mentioning about 10th board because उसके बारे में काफी हल्ला हुआ है that 10th board exam, CBSE exam was on the difficult side. So I mean I just want to take the reaction of the students who are present here. So starting with Adarsh. भाई कैसा हुआ? हम ऑलरेडी पूछ चुका हूँ मैं तुझसे, but again you can share.
It was tougher compared to the mock I did in my home, but yeah, I was done with revision in around 2 hours. And
तो
Then
2 घंटे में
I
तूने
just
मैथ्स कंप्लीट कर लिया था, बोर्ड का 2026 का बोर्ड का एग्जाम, जहाँ पे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं कि बहुत लेंदी था।
yes
तो अगर 2
रिवीजन
घंटे में 2 घंटे में एक्चुअल एग्जाम खत्म किया था, मॉक कितने घंटे में कर लिया था?
मॉक तो सर मैं मतलब लिखता नहीं था आंसर, बस मॉक में टिक
अच्छा,
मार देता था, आंसर और हो गया
ओके,
मतलब। तो
ग्रेट।
बोर्ड में मतलब 2 आवर रिवीजन के साथ हो गया था।
हम्म,
उसके बाद मैं लास्ट 1 आवर में ऐसे ही बैठा था, हेड डाउन किया था। तो फिर मैं ऐसे ही प्रॉब्लम्स को देख रहा था, मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि ये टेंजेंट वाला प्रॉब्लम तो गलत है।
हम्म,
तो फिर मैंने साइड नोट में लिख दिया आंसर अपना मेन रखा ताकि अगर मार्किंग स्कीम में दोनों आंसर एक्सेप्ट होगा, बाकी कोई आंसर एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगा तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा। तो आंसर मैंने मेन वही रखा, लेकिन नोट में लिख दिया कि ये क्वेश्चन कैसे गलत है, क्यों गलत है, और इसका सही वर्जन क्या होगा। और फिर मैंने ऐसे लिख के पोस्ट स्क्रिप्ट में छोड़ दिया।
ग्रेट, ओके।
शायद अगर तुम्हारे आउट ऑफ 80 अभी 85 मार्क्स आ जाते हैं तो यू वोंट बी सरप्राइज्ड।
No, sir.
यस, आदित्य।
Sir, sorry, sir, I didn't have accent. I'm not in 10th. गलती से is it.
अच्छा, यस, प्रभव, इफ यू वांट टू शेयर।
ये सर मेरे को तो इजी लगा पर्सनली। मेरे लिए तो टफेस्ट पार्ट था कि जो आता है ऑलरेडी, जो मन में हो रहा है, वो उसे पूरा पेपर में स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिखो। वो मेरे लिए बहुत पेनफुल रहा है हमेशा सारे सीबीएसई के टेस्ट में।
ओके, बट अगेन योर पेपर वेंट वेल, मैथ का?
हाँ सर, मेरा सेट तो इजी आया था।
ओके, यस, चलो, ओके, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन दैट एंड विल एंड विद, इट्स अ फन, एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन दिखा है मुझे चैट जीपीटी पे। सो इफ समवन बैंड वन मैथ सिंबल फॉरएवर, which one would cause the most chaos for mathematics community? Yes, Anik. So that's the equal to.
Generally, it should be pi.
It should be what?
Pi. Like you cannot like the
No,
total geometry will
let me
in a reason.
एक मिनट अनिक, तुम्हारा आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है। Yes, now can you speak again? Oh, pi.
I think it should be pi because if it is so, then the entire geometry will be in risk.
Oh yes, oh yes. So you don't want geometry to be a part of the math Olympiad or math? I think
no, I want it because it's my
P3 और P5 में कितने मार्क्स आए इस बार तुम्हारे?
I think e to the power I5 plus 1.
Oh, that is an equation. So the question is, if someone banned one mathematics symbol forever, which one would cause the most chaos? Okay, so which symbol, banning which symbol is going to be chaotic for the mathematics community?
जो अभी अनिक ने बोला, he tell his score in problem 3 and problem 5. E पर आएगा pi plus 1.
क्या क्या
This
दोबारा
is his
बोलो
way
सर?
of he was telling his marks in P3 and P5, and his way of telling is E पर आएगा pi plus 1.
Okay.
And for the viewers जो
Equal
अभी
to zero.
session देख रहे हैं, this is another way of writing 0.
Okay. Yes, Adarsh.
Sir, I think the equal to sign, so, if band would cause, but it may be because we are only solving Olympiads and the equal to sign carries much importance. But I think the integral sign, if removed, also cause much trouble in the further stages.
Which one?
In the higher integral sign, integral.
Oh, integral sign. Yes. So higher mathematics, advanced mathematics, definitely. Yes, Anik.
So then physics will be in serious trouble.
Yes, physics will be in trouble. Okay. Yes, Siddharth.
Sir, like I have changed my opinion. I don't think like equal to is even going to cause like chaos. It's just going to be like very inconvenient to write is equal to.
Is
like
equal to,
everything.
yes. English is going to be very boring.
Yes.
So people are going to be fed up of it. Right. I think most of the symbols have been designed to, to lower the importance of English language in mathematics. Yes, Satish.
साथ में भी ब्रैकेट्स, सब जगह ब्रैकेट्स यूज होता है, ग्रुप्स में, सेट्स में, मॉड में ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं, तो हायर मैथ में ब्रैकेट्स आर यूज्ड फॉर लाइक एवरीथिंग, फॉर
Yeah,
सेट्स.
Bodmas is going to go for a toss.
No, so not that, like for set notation, like you put
Oh,
brackets.
that okay, that curly brackets.
Yeah, that one.
Yes. Yes, Nishant.
I would say it's multiplication, because if you had tried 5 into 200, that's just into. But if you write 5 200 times, I don't
Yes.
think you'll be doing
Yes.
much useful
Yes.
math in your
Yes.
day.
Amazing. So amazing, guys. We had a super fun session, and I'm sure this, I mean, the students who are going to watch this is going to see the funnier side of the so-called math nerds, right? So yes, Om.
Yeah, so I wanted to answer the last question.
Yes.
So I was thinking about this. So like, if we change some symbol, then we can, like, mathematician can always apply, like use another symbol. Like if we're not using pi, then they will just use some another Greek symbol or
Yes.
some other letter. But if we consider like removing one letter as removing whole concept or like idea itself, then it's like not related to Olympiad. It's very much related to higher maths. But I would like to remove the letter like G, which stand for Gödel number, and that was the concept of like Gödel present this one idea of like Gödel number and some theory which proved like there is like one like fault in mathematics. Like mathematics is not consistent and it has accepted to like paradox. And like those are like things like actually like make like so many mathematicians uncomfortable, because like as you like learn more, then you realize like the maths, some part of maths just not consistent with itself, or like there's some theorems you can't prove are they true or not true, like such kind of things. But like if you just remove that number, one number, Gödel number, then like everything will be solved and like everyone will be happy.
So just for the viewers, Om has his mathematics exam, board exam, 2 days down the line, and he's talking about all these things. So just God bless you, Om, for the exam tomorrow, and same for Soham. So Soham and Om, wishing you the best for your board mathematics exam 2 days down the line, and thank you everyone for being a sport and answering these kind of questions in the most healthy way. And wishing you all the best for the training camp, which is going to start, I think, 6th and 10th of May, right? So 6th for the juniors and 10th for the seniors. And wishing you all the success in those in that camp as well. So enjoy, have a blast, and of course we'll be doing some activities for all of you, before you go there. And thank you. Chin, sir, any last words?
Once again, sir, as you have already mentioned, all the very best for your IMOTC, and this time let's bring gold for India.
Yes. So Nishan, do you want to
Please.
say anything?
नहीं, I'm just like
अच्छा, वो तुम हाथ खड़ा
doing
कर रहे
that.
थे, मुझे लगा it is. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you for this amazing session. I'm sure students are going to do like this and get motivated. Bye all.